Hey everyone, we are here with a 2016 Mercedes-Benz Matris. It is a commercial work van. I just finished up a security system upgrade. It goes off the factory key fob. I believe this is one of the first ones to be done in the country, so I'm proud to show you it. So here we go. When you hit lock, it activates the aftermarket security system. Also, when you hit unlock, it deactivates. So let's see, let's lock it back up. With this setup, you don't have to carry any additional key fobs or remotes. Let's open the door. And there you have it, 2016 Mercedes-Benz Matris with an aftermarket directed security system.